Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 4. To open up a demo account on MetaTrader 4, first of all, download and open up MetaTrader 4 application on your mobile device. And right after you do that, you will be able to see an option that says Open a Demo Account. Tap on it, and then you will be able to see this Codes tab. Within the Codes tab, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner, and then click on New Account. Now choose Open a Demo Account option. Click on your demo account. You'd like to enter some details, and on the next page, you can then enter your name, your phone number, email address, the type of account you would like to open a demo account for. Enter the rest of the account information such as leverage, where you can select the leveraged option that suits your preference, and then enter the amount of virtual money you want to have in your account right next to deposit. Finally, click on Register at the top right corner. And there you have successfully created a demo account for MetaTrader 4. Your login information will be displayed on the screen. You can also receive these details via email for future references. And there you have it. You have successfully created a demo account on MetaTrader 4. You can now start trading with virtual funds, practice placing trades, exploring the charts, and using the platform's feature without any real financial risk. That is how you easily open up a demo account on MetaTrader 4 and start practicing. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more MetaTrader 4 tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.